The state-of-the-art phased array of transducers are based on a fixed system of reference to render the 3D content. In the Two-Gimbal phased array of transducers demo, we propose a dynamic system of reference approach that combines both mechanical and acoustic rotations in a hybrid system focused on artistic exhibitions. Our demo takes advantage of two main components. First, a two-set gimbal is mechanically actuated, which enables accurate rotational control at orthogonal axis, allowing a single or dual axis of rotation. And second, acoustic 3D content manipulation through the use of two phased array of transducer boards. This demo aims to create an intriguing experience where both the content and device can move freely in 3D space, challenging the user's expectations for the 3D content displayed. For more details, please refer to our paper.